Yes, children. Now look at this question. SO2 and H2O2 can act as both oxidizing as well as reducing agent, but ozone and HNO3 can only act as oxidizing agent. They cannot act as reducing agent. Why? Okay. Now if you consider SO2, the oxidation state of sulfur in this is +4. Right? Now you know very well that sulfur can go to a maximum oxidation state of +6, and it can also go to a minimum oxidation state of -2. That means it can get reduced, it can get oxidized. Okay, if it is undergoing oxidation, then it will act as a reducing agent. If it is undergoing reduction, then it will act as an oxidizing agent. That is why SO2 can act as both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Same way, you take this H2O2. In the case of H2O2, this is the thing. So here you find that oxygen is showing -1 state, and this -1, it can further reduce to -2, or it can increase to 0. Supposing if it becomes O2, then its oxidation state will be 0. Now if it is combining with such an atom where it will show -2, that means -1 is reduced to -2. Where there is reduction, it can act as an oxidizing agent. Where there is oxidation, it can act as a reducing agent. So SO2 and H2O2 both can react as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Now in the case of HNO3, you see, the oxidation state of nitrogen here is +5, +1, +x, plus -6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to +5. Okay. Now what is the maximum oxidation state for nitrogen? +5. Why? Nitrogen की atomic number 7 है, 2,5 configuration है. So maximum that it can lose is 5. So maximum oxidation state that it can reach is also 5. It cannot go beyond 5, but it can get reduced to +4 also, or +3 also, or 0 also, or -3 also. Right? Through some method, if it is getting converted to NH3, then N का -3 है. अगर मान लो नाइट्रोजन आ गया किसी के साथ रिएक्ट होके, तो 0 हो गया. If it is NO2, if it is getting converted into NO2, तो नाइट्रोजन का +4 हो गया. So it can get only reduced, but it cannot get oxidized. So it can only act as an oxidizing agent. Reduction means oxidizing agent. It cannot undergo oxidation. No oxidation possible. So HNO3 is only a oxidizing agent. It cannot be a reducing agent. Same way in the case of O3. In the case of O3 also, in the case of O3, the oxidation state is 0. Okay? Oxidation state is 0, and from 0, it can only go to -1 or -2. That means only reduction is possible. Reduction means oxidizing agent. That is why ozone can also act as an oxidizing agent only. It cannot act as a reducing agent. Oxygen, ozone, it is in the elemental form, सीधा exist करता है, तो इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 0 होता है. ऑक्सीजन की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इसमें 0 है. तो जो 0 है वो -1 हो सकता है. अगर वो पेरोक्साइड बन गया तो -1 होगा. ठीक है. अगर किसी ऑक्साइड फॉर्म में जाएगा तो -2 जाएगा, पर वो +1 और +2 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. ठीक है. सो इट कैन ओनली रिड्यूस. दिस इज रिडक्शन. दैट मीन्स दिस इज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द रीजन वाई SO2 and H2O2 act as oxidizing and reducing agent, whereas ozone and HNO3 act as oxidizing agent only. these two are oxidizing agent whereas these two can be both oxidizing as well as reducing. ठीक है.